got me confused for a rap bitch. Nigga who don't give a fuck what it costs, nigga. I buy my own, but I recommend y'all.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. It's bob season, sis. I wanted to show you guys how to install this blonde dark root unit. I will leave all of the wig details below. Make sure you check it out. This is a lace front wig. I am going to be using some adhesive today because I'll be keeping this on for a couple of days. This is transparent lace. You can wear this glueless if you add an elastic band. This wig is under $200, so it's very affordable. And I love it because it's bob season, honey. When this unit comes to you, you don't have to worry about getting those brown roots. It will already come this way, already this color. The very natural dark root is not like black. And it's not too light, it's like very natural. So especially for us chocolate girls. I'm gonna throw her on real quick. I don't have a mirror right here. What was I thinking? Yes. Now this wig comes pre-plucked. I did go in and plucked it just a little bit around the perimeter just to give me a little more natural look. This texture is straight, but once you wash it and let it air dry, it has that little wave. So that's pretty much what you guys see right now. If I was to spray this down and wet it, you can see that the waves will start to come in and it's another like wet look you can wear. So it's not necessarily like bone straight. Once you put some water to it, it has a slight wave. I'm not saying that this is wavy because it's not, but it has a nice slight wave to it. But I'm gonna go in and just apply some makeup, and people do this all the time, so don't be alarmed. You can use tint spray. Like a lot of people are using those sprays that has the tint in it. I don't know what they're called. I don't know what the technical term is for what they call it, but I'm just gonna use some makeup. I'm using some makeup forever. Right where I will be cutting the lace, and the lace will be melting into my skin. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Just because you want that transition to look very natural. But you definitely want to do this for transparent if you are more on the warmer, darker, deeper side, because this is not going to blend into your skin. Now this is transparent. Don't get it confused with the HD and all that other stuff people be out there. Right there. And then just take some spray, some got-to-be. Okay, I know, because I'm sounding real ghetto. This is a part of the Platinum collection. I'm just going to cut this lace real quick, you guys. There we have it, a complete cut hairline on your lace front wig. I've already cleaned the area with some alcohol, and I'm just tracing this outside of my hairline. This side, I feel like I didn't do a second coat over here. So I'm going to be using my lace frontal wraps. You can find these on my website. I'll link them below. And I'm just going to do this so that it just melts really good. And then while this is sitting, I'm going to put on my lashes. Come on, lash. Ooh,
10 bad bitches and they after me. You got the bad but can't afford it.
24 seconds, can you beat the shirt?
That blonde hit different on that brown skin, baby. Alright, so took the edge wrap off. Now, it's a little secure or whatever. Okay, pull behind the ear, because pulling behind the ear is very, you know, it's essential for us wig wearers. We want to pull. We want to do this. We want to be cute, okay? We want to do this. So we definitely can pull behind the ear. We got that action going on. Do some light baby hairs. I need some edges, child. And then I'm gonna be using Tropical Roots. I only use this for my baby hairs. I don't use this throughout the hair because this stuff gets really sticky. My boyfriend has dreads, so you know, we use Tropical Roots. I'll stick that right there. Oh, I need an edge brush. I need an edge brush, baby. Taking a Classic Crown edge brush. Okay, going back with the wrap. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some curls. I'm done tripping, trip.
I work it. Only you.
Woo! Woo! Make sure your comb ain't hot, y'all. So this completes the final look, you guys. I feel so fucking fine right now. Like, oh my God. I ain't got no earrings on. I feeling like a bad beach. Okay. Now I want to pull it back so you guys can see. Full hairline, you guys. See? You can really just whatever. Make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think below in the description box, and I will leave all of the wig information in the description box so that you guys can check that out. And again, thanks for joining me, and I will see you guys in the next